The VP Choice Awards for the Movie Actress of the Year award goes to the people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a film while deeply understanding the demands of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Julia Montes for 5 Breakups and a Romance, Catherine Bernardo for A Very Good Girl, Marian Rivera for Rewind, Sharon Cuneta for Family of 2, Eugene Domingo for Becky and Badette, Vilma Santos for When I Met You in Tokyo.
The VP Choice Awards goes to Marian Rivera for Rewind. Congratulations!
Yes! Good evening
Maraming
din!
salamat sa award na ito. Sabi ko nga, sa tuwing nare-recognize yung ginagawa namin mga artista at tayo din, nakakataba ng puso. Kaya siguro itong recognition na ito, isang inspirasyon hindi lang po sa amin, kundi para sa ating lahat na patuloy tayo gumawa ng mga magagandang pelikula, magandang content, kasi doon tayo sa magpapasaya sa iba, magpapasaya sa sarili natin, at higit sa lahat, para sa taas, maging inspirasyon tayo para sa ibang tao. Salamat!
Partner, let's welcome influencers and Blogapalooza content creators Ezra Main and Chal Maling to announce the first set of winners for the travel and lifestyle category.